Greetings. It's Shana with Mindful Moments with Favors. I'm out in our garden. Came out to harvest my collard greens. I intended on letting them stay out a little longer, but they are mature. I had to get them out of the garden because I noticed I had a lot of worms on them, so I didn't want them to eat up all of my leaves. I tried to use, I mixed a concoction of water, dish detergent, and a few essential oils, oregano, lemon, and cinnamon. So it worked really well with my okra and keeping the ants away from my okra. But those worms, they were not hearing it. I woke up this morning and a lot of my collard green leaves were eaten up. So I said, let me get my greens so we can have some food. So I just want to show you what I've been up to this morning. So this is where my collard greens were. And so now I'm going to walk you over here to my little processing station. And I picked my collard greens and I washed them in the wheelbarrow with a little soap and water. And then I have them in our other wagon. So you see how many I've harvested. It is full. So I'm getting ready to take them in the house, cut them up, wash them again, cut them up, blanch them, put them in the freezer, and share some with my family. So I love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Continue working in your yards and cultivating the earth. Continue feeding your family fresh, wholesome, healthy food straight from the earth. Thank you. Peace. Y'all stay woke.